Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, you're going to hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. This will bring up your boot mode right here, or boot options, and what you want to do is hold power off option. Now this will bring up this window, or this option right here, safe mode. So simply tap on it again to reboot the device, and this will boot you then into the safe mode. So let's just give it a moment. And there we go. As you can see, we are now in safe mode, which you can see at the bottom. So that is how you'd boot your device into safe mode. Let me confirm the pin, and there we go. Now in this mode, only the most essential apps will work. Everything else will be disabled from starting up. So you won't be able to use any kind of apps that I have downloaded. Now anyway, once you're done with this mode, all you need to do is reboot the device once more. So to do so, let's pull down the notification panel and tap on the power key right here and simply select restart. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.